Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add hyperlinks to cells within your sheets and workspaces on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. So head over to your project sheet within your workspace here in Smartsheet. Let me go with this here, my project, or with the untitled sheet, sorry. So what you want to do is simply click into the given cell you would like to add a hyperlink to. Let me go with cell with this empty cell here under or in that number row. What you want to do is right click into it, and from the drop down menu simply select add hyperlink or use the shortcut Ctrl K. After that, this window will pop up for you with the link as well as the display text. So let me just for demonstration purposes add a hyperlink to google.com. So head over to destination page and copy the URL of the given website, and after that what you want to do is simply paste the link here where it says link, and also add a display text, which in this case here would be Google, and confirm by clicking into apply here. And that's it. As you can see, the hyperlink has been added. If you hover your mouse over it, you will see the preview here. You may remove the link, edit it, copy it, and so on and so forth, guys. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.